Hi guys, welcome back to NextGenBloggER, and in this video I want to show you how to design coffee cup in Blender. Now it's actually super easy to design coffee cup in Blender, so without further delay let's get started and see how you can do this. Now to demonstrate this, first I would like to delete this cube as I don't really need it, and instead of this cube let's add a circle. Now let me go to the edit mode. And now let me press the number 1 and this will give me the side view. Now let's zoom in. Now what you need to do is you need to extrude this circle upwards. So to do that, press the letter E and this will activate the extrude tool. Now press the letter Z and this will activate the Z axis. Now press the number 3. And what this will do is it will extrude the circle along the z-axis by 3 meters. And now press enter. So as you can see, we have created this sort of very basic, it's still not looking like a cup, but we have created something. Now what you need to do next is you need to scale this top part of the coffee cup a little bit. So to do that, press the letter S and this will activate the scale tool. And now press 1.3 and this will scale the top part of the coffee cup by 1.3 meters. Now press enter. Perfect. Now let me press the number 1 and once again this will give me the side view. Now what you need to do next is you need to make a loop cut. So to do that, press Ctrl R and now bring your cursor on top of the coffee cup. Now press enter and now make a loop cut somewhere around here and now press enter. Perfect. Now let's cover this bottom part of the coffee cup. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to press Alt and now select any edge from the bottom part, and the moment you press Alt and select any edge from the bottom part, you will see that the entire bottom part or the bottom circle got selected. Now simply press the letter F and this will cover the bottom part of the coffee cup. So up till now it is looking really good. So far so good. Now we will create an inset. So press the letter I and now create an inset like this and now press enter. Alright, now let's go back to object mode, and now what we are going to do is we will apply the solidify modifier. So go to the modifiers tab, click on add modifier and inside generate select the solidify modifier. Now look inside the solidify modifier settings and right here you're going to find this option called thickness where currently the value is 0.01. So you need to change the value inside the thickness option from 0.01 to 0.4 and now press enter. Now apply this modifier. So click on this downwards arrow and select apply. Next, you need to apply the subdivision surface modifier as well. So click on add modifier and inside generate, this time select the subdivision surface modifier. Now increase the value inside levels viewport and render to 3 and now apply shade smooth. So go to the object menu and select shade smooth. Perfect. Now if you look right at the bottom, you're going to see that we have these stretch marks which are visible. So to get rid of these, you need to go to the edit mode and you need to create another inset. So press the letter I and create a second inset like this and now press enter. And now if I go back to object mode, this time as you can see there are no stretch marks. Alright, now let's go back to edit mode and what you need to do next is you need to make 2 additional loop cuts. So press Ctrl R and now bring your cursor on top of the coffee cup, and now press enter, and make the first loop cut somewhere around here, and now press enter. And now once again press Ctrl R, bring your cursor on top of the coffee cup, and now press enter, and this time make the second loop cut somewhere around here, right at the top, and now press enter. Perfect. Now press the number 1 and this will give you the side view. And now what we are going to do is we will create the handle of the coffee cup. So to do that, first select the face selection mode, and now select these two faces. So select this face first, and now press shift and select this second face. And now what you need to do is you need to extrude these two faces. So press the letter E and this will activate the extrude tool, and now press 1.6, and what this will do is it will extrude these two faces by 1.6 meter. Now press enter. Next, what you need to do is you need to select this side and you need to select this side. Remember to press the shift key to hold these selections together. Now you need to create an inset. So press the letter I and now simply press 0.35 and now press enter. Perfect. Next, what you need to do is you need to go to the edge menu, and now you need to select this option, that is bridge edge loops. And as you can see, the handle of our coffee cup is beginning to take shape. Next, what you need to do is you need to reduce this distance. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to first select these two faces, and now grab these two faces by pressing the letter G, and now activate the y-axis by pressing the letter Y, and now move these two faces along the y-axis by 0.15 meter, and now press enter. Perfect. Next, what you need to do is you need to make another loop cut. So press Ctrl R, and this time you need to make a loop cut right at the top. So bring your cursor on this particular part of the coffee cup, and now press enter, and now make a loop cut somewhere around here, and now press enter. Perfect. Next, what you need to do is you need to recalculate the normals. So to do that, press the letter A and this will select everything. And now you need to go to the mesh menu, and inside mesh you need to go to normals, and inside normals you need to select this option, that is recalculate outside. Perfect. Now let's go back to object mode, and let's now create a surface for the coffee cup. So to create the surface, we will be making use of a plane. So go to the add menu, go to mesh, and now select this option, that is plane. Now scale this plane by 100 meters. So press the letter S and this will activate the scale tool, and now simply press 100 and now press enter. So I have scaled the plane by 100 meters. Now press the number 1 and this will give you the side view, and now move the plane below the coffee cup. So press the letter G and this will grab the plane. Now press the letter Z and this will activate the Z axis. Now move the plane below like this. And once you're done, simply press enter. Perfect. So let me just look more closely. Okay, so I need to move this plane a little above. So press the letter G once again, and now press the letter Z, and this will activate the Z axis. Now let me move this plane a little above. Yeah, now press enter. Perfect. Next, what you need to do is you need to press the number 0, and this will give you the view of the camera. And as you can see, we need to adjust the camera. But before I do that, let me just first select the camera. Now go to object data properties of the camera. And now I would like to increase the focal length of the camera. So currently the focal length of the camera is 50 millimeters. So I would like to increase it to 100 millimeters. And now press enter. Perfect. Now let me adjust my camera so that it properly captures the coffee cup. So first press the letter N, and this will open up this particular tab. Now go to the view section, and right here you need to enable this option, that is camera to view. Now press the letter N once again, and now let me adjust the view of the camera. So this looks pretty good. Yeah, I am happy with what the camera is capturing. So now what you need to do next is you need to start applying colors. So first select the plane, and now go to the material tab, and now click on the new button. And now for the plane, I would like to change the surface. So currently principled BSDF is selected. So let me change it to diffuse BSDF. And I don't want to make any other changes. So we are done with the plane. Let's now select the coffee cup. And now we are already in the material tab. So simply click on the new button. Now inside surface, principled BSDF is selected. So that's fine because I want principled BSDF only for my coffee cup. Let's change the base color. So I've already selected a color for the coffee cup. So let me directly write the hex value. So the value is 586FE7, and now press enter. Now let me change the mode to material preview mode, and now as you can see the colors are visible. Now let's adjust the lighting of the entire scene. So let me select the light, and now currently this light is a point light, as you can see. So I want to keep it as a point light only. Now let me increase the radius of the point light from 0.1 meter to 5 meter, and now press enter. Now let's go to render properties, and now change the render engine from EV to cycles. Also change the device from CPU to GPU compute. Now if you look inside sampling, you're going to find these two sections, viewport and render. So inside viewport, you're going to find this option called max samples, where currently the value is 1024. So you need to change the value inside max samples from 1024 to 200, and now press enter. Similarly, if you look inside the render section, you're going to find this option once again, that is max samples. So change the value inside the max samples here as well from 4096 to 200, and now press enter. Next, what you need to do is you need to click on this option, that is object data properties, And now you need to click on this button, that is use nodes. And now if you look inside the nodes section, inside surface, emission is selected, so that's fine. Inside color, the color is white, so that's fine as well. Inside strength, currently the value is 1. So you need to change the value inside the strength option from 1 to 7. And now press enter. And so now if I change the mode to render preview, so as you can see, we have successfully designed a coffee cup in Blender. So let me press F12, and as you can see, the view of the camera is getting rendered. So I'm rendering the image, and this is what you're going to get. So this is how you can design a coffee cup in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.